Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can see Instagram live stories in your Windows PC or laptop. So for that you need only one thing, you need a Chrome browser in your Windows PC. So once you're done with this, you can start. So let's start. So I'm in my Instagram profile. So let's go to homepage. Okay, so now I'm in my homepage, but unlike mobile, I can't see live stories here. So we need a third-party extension. It's called IG Stories. Link to this you can find in the description box below. So install this. Okay, so we are done. Okay, so now let's go to Instagram page. Okay, now let's refresh Instagram. Okay, so as you can see, we can see the live stories now. So let's tap on this. And you are done. You can see live stories now in your Windows PC. So that's it guys. Likewise you can see live stories on your Windows PC. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.